Hi, we are Theranosis Life Sciences and we are currently working on innovative microfluidics lab on a chip. So this is mainly meant for liquid biopsy. It's a currently very popular approach in cancer diagnostics. Traditionally, biopsy is done like a surgery. It's a tissue biopsy. In contrast, liquid biopsy is a non-invasive technique. Just a simple blood sample, and then it is pumped through the microscopy pump, and it goes to the lab on a chip. So our main intellectual property is in the lab on a chip. And finally the blood is collected in the waste reservoir. During the flow of the blood from one point to the next point, there is a high-speed camera which captures the images, and then the images are analyzed in the computer. So here we use artificial intelligence software to analyze these millions of images. The camera literally acquires like 30 to 60 frames per second, and then it identifies the frames where the cancer cells are showing up. So these are the circulating tumor cells, and this is like finding the needle in a haystack. So we need this kind of advanced equipment to detect these rare cells. Once the cells are captured, we can do downstream, we can culture it, we can stain it, we can do immunohistochemistry, and we can also extract the DNA or RNA, and we can do the tumor mutational profiling. So this entire process is called liquid biopsy. It's a one type of liquid biopsy for the circulating tumor cells. Once the liquid biopsy is completed, the circulating tumor cells are captured on the chip, and then we do the downstream analysis. One of the popular analysis is the immunohistochemistry. So I started my career as an MBBS doctor. Then I entered ICMR and pursued research in tuberculosis, especially in HIV patients. After ICMR, I went to US, pursued my PhD in University of North Dakota. I did in biochemistry and molecular biology. So after my PhD, I joined MD Anderson Cancer Center. It's a very big research institute and a hospital in Houston. So while I was in data genetics, I was organizing a CME event for oncologists in Apollo hospitals in Hyderabad. So many of the doctors are asking, what is this liquid biopsy? When can our patients get this test in India? So that motivated me to start the company. So Theranosis was incorporated in February 2016. We are very happy to be associated with Atal Incubation Center, which is part of the CCMB Annex 2 campus. So CCMB also providing us a lot of core facilities and common equipment. So we have a heavy usage of the cell culture facility, the centrifuge facility, the -20, -80 liquid nitrogen tank, the clean room facilities, and also other facilities available in the main campus like the genomics, proteomics, the flow cytometry, and the confocal microscopy facilities. So Atal Incubation Center has been instrumental in accelerating our startup growth, and we hope to continue this relationship. We want to be here for as long as possible. And CCMB has been very supportive, and we are enjoying all the facilities here, and we have a very good infrastructure here. Apart from our own equipment, we get to utilize all the core facilities.